Okay, people, let's get cleaner air pronto. So yes, we're gonna create cleaner air, but please watch to the end of the video because I'm gonna show several options and there is shocking news at the end. Save some lives. Air pollution is nothing to laugh about. So the smog here in the United States or wherever I'm at is really bad right now because of the wildfires in Canada. So yeah, we are gonna have to fix that problem. So that's what this video is about. We're gonna shop for some air purifiers, see what's out there, and then we're also gonna make our own. Okay, so let's get rolling. My first stop is Lowe's because I have a gift card, so it just makes sense for me to go there. There are many models available at Lowe's, as you can see. I wanted the shark model because I love my shark sweeper, but as you can see, they are sold out to my dismay. It's okay though because look how much the replacement filters are for the shark. Wow. Here we have models that will clean the air from large spaces to small. I chose the largest model for myself because it wasn't sold out and also because I want the cleanest air possible in my indoor environment. Look at what my Filtrete model is going to filter out. The center icon is smoke and smog. It filters out mold, bacteria, dust mites, viruses, and more. Seriously though, someone needs to clean these boxes off. It's not healthy to breathe in dust and this is supposed to be a healthy solution. I like this brand because look at the price of the filters and you should only have to change them out once per year. If I buy two, I save almost $6 per filter, that's the deal. And since it comes with a filter in the box, I should be set for 3 years. So here's the deal, I always calculate the total plus tax before I even hit the counter because I can't tell you how many times I've been ripped off, and if you pay and then see the error after the fact, it becomes a huge ordeal and wastes so much time. So yeah, the numbers came out right this time. Bingo! Okay, let's load up these goods and head off to Ollie's Bargain Outlet. I have a 15% off coupon. It's funny, Ollie's was a bust. The other day when I went in there, all I could find was air purifiers and cleaners, and now when I go in, I can't find any, but they have air conditioners, dehumidifiers, fans, like everything I don't want. Here is an Oranzi model at a neighbor's house. It's better because it has a HEPA filter, a carbon filter, and a pre-filter that you can actually wash instead of buying a replacement every time. And why is this better?
It's a good
Carbon filter, a HEPA filter,
and then a pre-filter.
Pre-filter, wow. So now we're going to get a fan and an air filter and make our own DIY air filter in case you can't find one or don't have the money for an air filter. It's extremely easy to make your own air purifier. Just get a fan. If you don't have a floor model fan, you can literally build a half house around a regular fan to help clear the air. But for this option, tape a clean air filter to the back of the fan with masking tape, duct tape, or bungee cords. This is a very inexpensive solution, and you probably already have these items on hand. You might have to cut a very small hole to allow for a cord to pass through the back. Place the filter in the correct direction. The direction should be shown on the side of the filter. You won't want to put the filter on the front of the fan because the force of the air could just blow it right off. But if you secure it good enough, that could be an option. I saw this on the EPA.gov website, and they even recommend that this is a good alternative if you can't get an air purifier. You can use duct tape, bungee cords, clamps to hold that filter on the back of the fan. I mean, the literal website says, do-it-yourself air cleaners reduce wildfire smoke indoors. So, there we go. And they said not to use fans that are like older than the year 2012 or something like that, but that they didn't do any tests on them, that's why. You want to watch your fan, make sure it doesn't create like a fire. So don't be running it when you're not around. I covered my air conditioner with a blanket because smoke was seeping in. Some air conditioners can be set to recycle your air, which means it will use the air in your home instead of outside air. Here I'm interviewing a UPS driver. Did some people call off today?
Yes. I had to cover some people because they had carbon monoxide poisoning, and they gave us these nice little masks to keep everything oxygen flowing in.
It looks loose.
It's a little,
I think you need to tighten them.
I tighten it up like this.
Why are you wearing an Under Armour shirt under that? These photos are from abc.com. Actually, 6abc.com, whatever that means. Check this out, guys. This is June 5th, same picture June 7th. That's 2 days difference. That's how bad it is. So you know how I'm wearing this mask? So they say that this doesn't even help you. Like, it would be better to put a handkerchief on than this. Or like a 3M mask. Something else I heard was that you can take a wet handkerchief over your face. One of the delivery drivers wrapped their sweatshirt around their mouth today to protect themselves. I'm sure that would protect you more than this thing. Care for your lungs now and you won't be sorry later. I have sad news. I just got the air purifier set up. My hamster is dead. You know the little animals are the first to go, right? Yeah, the smog's pretty bad here. Hamsters are really sensitive respiratory-wise. If anybody puts like Bengay on, they can kill a hamster. I had somebody come over and they had Bengay on and my one hamster died. The other one almost died and I saved it. That's this one. And I tried to save this one from smog from Canada and it didn't work because I didn't do it fast enough, although I went to the store as fast as I could. But if I had already had an air filter, that would have been ideal, so maybe I can help somebody out. So just because my hamster died does not mean that one of your pets is going to die, but I would be very cautious. And then also, who's to say it wasn't just a mere coincidence, right? That he just passed away at the exact moment the smog came, right? Hey, I have something else to share with you. I just heard from my sister that her hamster passed away and hers was younger than mine. And she lives in the same neighborhood. We're from the United States. And you know, wildfires are going on not just in Canada, in the United States, in California, Mexico. Like, yeah. I hope this isn't the end of the world. I really hope all of you will treasure every minute of your lives and make the best of everything. It sounds scary, but just pretend that this is your last day, you know? Let's have some fun. Here we see someone analyzing what may be happening with the wildfires.
And the entire western side of Canada burning. All of this up here is smoke on a clear day. I would say this would be some kind of terrorism of some kind or an attack.
Well, thanks for watching the classy Cheapskate. I'm gonna go cry now. Hope you have a great day, though. Right. Oh, and I also prayed that if my little baby, my little chippy, was gonna pass away, I prayed that it would be fast and painless, and it was. Air pollution is nothing to laugh about. Not when a loved one passes away from it.